In today's episode, how do you do? Welcome to Stories of My Life. This style looks better, right? It doesn't hurt anymore, and it doesn't look that swollen, does it? Well, sort of. But anyway, I realised I forgot to tell you, I booked my third vaccine dose, my booster shot on Monday. So now it's just hoping I don't get it before that, because they say it's so much milder now, because everyone I know who's got it, and it's sort of like, it's not really bad, but then again, everyone's getting it, so the hospitals are kind of cramped as it is. So get your booster shot when you can. And if you haven't even gotten vaccinated, get vaccinated. You. But now, people, it's off to work. Oh, and on Sunday, I talked to Gunnar, because we've been talking at work, and we need someone to sort of substitute or cover. So Gunnar is coming in to be my cover if I get sick, or even if I don't get sick, but sometimes you test positive and then you have to stay home, even though you're not feeling bad, but I mean, you will be contagious. So enough about that, more about me buying bread. So here we go, third show of the year. I'm not going to do this counting because we'll get it wrong somewhere, but this is the third show of the year. I found these. These are rice cakes with taste of salted caramel. Let's ask David what his opinion is. Here you go. Have one.
Oh,
he's drinking
with my champagne.
He's drinking at work.
Drinking at work. I love it.
Of course. That made him quiet.
Salted caramel.
It's good, isn't it?
Delicious.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Water.
Water who?
What are you doing telling jokes? Don't you have things to do?
No.
I bought my perfume from Fragrances and Art. I got 3 samples, and now we're up to the last one. It's called Peki Istanbul. And let's ask David what he thinks about it. Yuma.
Oh. Liniment.
Liniment?
Liniment.
It's not your favourite then?
No, liniment.
Oh, I think it's kind of lemony, isn't it?
That's what I mean.
You meant lemony?
Liminent.
Liniment or lemon?
Citrus liminent.
So,
goodbye.
It's time for dinner. No, lunch. Damn it, it's lunch. Damn it. Okay, so it's time for really late lunch. Cream macaroni and that sausage called falukorv and a salad. Bon appetit, people. I hope you're okay out there in the darkness.
Men vänta, jag måste bara, har jag någon roligt? Ja då, det har jag. Blev ni lite orolig? Ja, okej. Bellman och kungen var ute och red. Och så släppte kungens hästen brakare. Och då sa Bellman, hästen fes. Tyst Bellman, sa kungen. Nej, högt.
People, we are backstage. The show is about to begin. The star is here already. She's feeling fine and fantastic, flamboyant and feminine. She is fantastic. There they go. They are ready and they are feeling fantastic. This is a show for the masses. Maybe not. People.
So I was thinking, where is he?
You missed me. Yes. How did it go?
It went very well.
Yeah?
We were totally giggly.
Yeah.
Me and Polly.
Yeah.
And she said her line was kind of weird.
She's such a
she
bad
said-
actress.
No, but she said, jag beklagar sorgen. That's enough for me to...
Start.
And then we're supposed to look at each other, but we couldn't look at each other because then we would just... But we had fun.
Yeah, you were great.
Thank you.
You were fantastic.
Thank you.
Do you want to say hi to anyone?
Yes, tonight it will be for Josefina Olsson has hälsat till någon gång. Martin Kagemark.
Okay. Yeah, good.
Ten seconds. Oh, hurry up. No, I don't need it. So, Happy New Year!
Ladies and gentlemen, intermission backstage. I will now preset for the quick change. Donde está la quick change? And here we are, preset. Well, I am this very old and ancient man who recently been to Florida. Are going down to a quick change. Yes, people, a quick change. We do it every night. Why are you acting so surprised?
I'm so old I can't change that quick.
He can't change. And I say, yes, you can. Yes, you can't.
Can't teach a dog new tricks.
Yes, you can. David, goodbye. See you tomorrow.
Okay, I'll come. Yeah, good.
2 shows tomorrow.
2 shows?
Yes. People, it's practically a snowstorm. I will be glad if I survive the night. Look. Oh. 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 Okay, so this is the entrance. Which one of the apartments do you think he lives in? Or maybe he lives on the other side. No, well, I think these are just 6 apartments, I would say. So, I'm dressed for success and I'm going out to buy groceries. My life is fascinating and something else. On F, starting with F. Fascinating. Thank you for watching and for liking, commenting, subscribing and following. It really helps, and something to do with the internet and the algorithm, I think. So thank you so much.